Hello everyone, I am Satish Kumar, lecturer in English in Surya School, Mahendragarh. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic notice writing. In my last two videos, I taught you about the definition of notice writing and after that some major points how to write notice. Okay, and after that we have discussed about the structure of notice writing, and after that we have discussed about new marking scheme of notice writing, and after that we have discussed about an example which was related to a cultural evening, and after this example we have discussed another example which was related to lost a wrist watch. Okay, now in today's video I am going to tell you another example which is related to found a purse. Okay, to understand this example, first of all we should need to read the question in a proper way. You found a purse. You should highlight the main point. You should found a purse in a school library. Okay, write a suitable notice for the notice board of your school, inviting its rightful owner to furnish necessary details to claim it back from you. Okay, you are Raman of class 11th of Surya School, and after that the remaining part of the question just we have read. You found a purse in the school library. Write a suitable notice for the notice board of your school. Okay, after that we should follow all the rules of notice structure. According to the structure of notice writing, first of all we should mention name of the institute. We always try to name of the institute according to the question. Okay, if name of institute is given in the question, then we should write the same name which is given in the question. Okay, if there is no name of institute or school is given in the question, then you should write according to our own way. Okay, we should mention name of institute, name of school in capital with black pen. After that we should mention date. Always try to the mention same date on which we are going to write our notice. Okay, after that we should leave one line between date and word notice. We should try to mention word notice in capital with black pen. After that we should leave one line between notice and title. Okay, always try to mention title according to the question. When you found anything, then you in notice, then you should highlight the title in this way: found along with exclamatory mark, found along with exclamatory mark. Okay, after that you should write content in this way. Okay, found a purse in the school library on 14th May 2021 at 11 a.m. If there is no date is given in the question, then you can write any date. Okay, if there is no time is given in the question, then you can write any time. The genuine or real owner of the purse, the genuine or real owner of the purse can claim it back from the undersigned after giving necessary details about the purse. Okay, after that we should leave one line between signature and designation. Okay, after that we should make a box. Okay, when we write any notice, then we should follow all the points regarding notice writing. Like, first of all we should mention name of the institution. After that we should mention date. After that we should mention word notice. After that we should mention title. Okay, after just mention of title, we should try to give all relevant information when we write content. Okay, when we write content, then we should try to remember one thing, that always try to avoid use of first and second person. Always try to write notice in third person. I mean to say that in impersonal language. Okay, always try to write notice not more than 50 words. Okay, after that you should leave one line between content and signature. I have already told you in my last videos, when you write signature, then you should highlight, then you should write signature in this way. First letter of signature in capital form, remaining part of signature should be in small form. Suppose you are Rahul Yadav, then you should do signature in this way. First letter of first word should be in capital, remaining part of first word should be in small form. Second word also start from capital letter. Okay, after that remaining part of second word should be in small form. Okay, after signature you should mention designation. Okay, after designation you should make a box. Okay, in today's video we have discussed about an example which is related to found a wristwatch. Found a purse. Okay, in today's video we have just discussed about a topic which is related to found a purse. When we find anything, then we should write notice in this way. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks and have a nice day. Okay.